Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to see Google Sheets edit history in 2025. If you're collaborating on spreadsheets or just want to track changes, this feature is a game changer. It lets you view who made what edits, when, and even restore previous versions. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in under 2 minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have the Google Sheet you want to check open. It's super straightforward, so let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Google Sheet in your web browser. This works on both desktop and mobile, but it's easiest on a computer. Step 2. Look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. It's right next to the Google Sheets logo. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, hover over Version History. You'll see a submenu pop up. Then, click on See Version History. Once you do that, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all the saved versions of your sheet, complete with timestamps, the names of the people who made changes, and a summary of what was edited. To get more details, simply click on a specific version. It will show you a side-by-side comparison of the changes. If you need to revert to an older version, just hit the Restore this version button. Be careful, as this will overwrite the current one. Pro tip. If you're the owner of the sheet, you can name versions for easier reference. Go back to Version History and select Name this version to keep things organized. One quick troubleshooting note. If you don't see any history, make sure you have edit access to the sheet. Sometimes, view-only permissions hide this feature. And there you have it. Viewing edit history in Google Sheets is that simple. This update for 2025 makes it even more user-friendly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.